Hello and welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake and this is Rachel. This is the place you come to enjoy campsite reviews and learn some tips and tricks to make your camping adventures more fun.
Today we're going to talk about Starved Rock State Park in Oglesby, Illinois, in the northern part of Illinois. Check out our adventure and then we will talk about the campsite review, give you some tips and tricks for the best spots after this.
Starved Rock State Park.
Yes.
It's a beautiful area, state park, so it's only $25 a night, and beautiful views, great hiking trails. It's a little scary with small children, but
Depends on which trail you do.
Yeah.
So the first time we went, our youngest was like, I think 18 months. So we just randomly picked a hiking trail and it had some beautiful bluffs and things, but we were nervous. Now that our kids are a little bit older, our youngest is 5. Well, she was 4 when we went last year. It's a little less scary. We tried some different hiking trails that weren't so bluff overlooky. It was gorgeous any way you slice it. And the sites were large. Here's the thing you need to know though. Pick the eastern loop. There's a east and west loop. The eastern one towards the top is the one that has the huge wooded sites. If you pick west or if you pick the south part, do my tips and tricks from my How to Pick a Great Campsite video. You want a large wooded space.
The first time we went, we had campsite 76.
And then the second time when we went last year, we had number 83, and the friends we went with had number 80. Those are special ones that are actually connected. So if you want to go with somebody else, they are also just a short walk away from a whole row of porta potties. So if you need a bathroom, boom, right there. You do have to get in the car or take a long walk to the shower house and the playground. But as far as a large wooded site that you will enjoy and have little like space to walk around and enjoy,
Lots of space.
This is where you want to be. Actually, anywhere from site like 79 all the way through the lower 100s. It is electric only. So we filled up our water tank on the way in. And I think that was the time we didn't fill it up all the way because we were like restless and we were like, oh, good enough, let's go. And then we ran out after like one day. We didn't have any more water, so we just kept refilling our gallons. It was fine, but whoops, you live and learn.
A little impatient there, filling the tank.
Yes.
Why don't we get set up?
The location, this is like 90 minutes from Chicago. So if you're in the Chicago area, if you're in lower Wisconsin, if you're anywhere around there, this is a short day trip. This is a short commute, and it's gorgeous. It's like you're not even in Illinois anymore. I grew up north of Chicago in the cities, and then I moved to central Illinois, which is a lot more cornfields. And so when you go to the Shawnee or when you go to Starved Rock, it's like, we're in Illinois? This is amazing. This is gorgeous.
Yeah, Starved Rock kind of reminds me a little bit of Shawnee.
Yeah.
Because it's,
beautiful.
Beautiful and not like cornfields.
The bathroom options are the row of porta potties in the upper loop, which I already mentioned. And then as far as the showers go, I think there's 2 showers. It's your typical state park. Not amazing, but works just fine. And it's also near the playground. If you need to juggle kids like we do, you can have kids at the playground while somebody watches, or, just hang out there for a while.
Yeah, and the playground has a little picnic covered area.
Yeah.
So you can eat outside if it's raining or whatever. This is a place that gets really busy, so you're going to want to make reservations or get there early.
Especially if you want the good spots.
In peak season.
Yes, in peak season, if you can avoid the weekends at all, that would be good, because everybody knows Starved Rock is awesome. I've heard stories about them, like, limiting how many people, about, like, people waiting to get into the hiking because it was just full, or people not enjoying their experience because there were so many people. We've never had that experience. I think we've always gone at off times. Yeah. It's just gorgeous, and can't wait to go back.
Great trails, 4 stars.
What would make it 5 stars? Amazing bathrooms, water.
A pool or something.
This is a state park in Illinois, honey. This is not.
You never know, honey. We went to, what was it, Ohio, and they had.
I know. Hey, Illinois, Ohio has pools in their state parks. Okay, I'm just saying. So we really enjoyed our time. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. We have lots more videos for you if you need any tips or tricks. If you're not wondering how to organize your pop-up camper, what to eat while you're camping, we have ideas for you. Stay tuned. Every Monday we have new videos. And we'll be seeing you out on the trails or back on YouTube.